and I'm from Sapphire Blue Travel and Mindset, and today I thought we would talk about how to become less of a victim to pickpockets. Pickpockets are everywhere in Europe. It is part of going to some of those bigger cities is the threat of becoming a victim. So today I want to give you a few tips on how to avoid that. Tip number one is for you guys particularly. Don't carry your wallet in your back pocket. Put it in your front pocket where you can, if you're feeling a bit uneasy, you can actually have your hand over the top of it, or it's always in that safe spot. Tip number two is for us girls. I actually love Pacsafe bags, and I'll put a link in the description below. They're slash proof, and we know that because my daughter had one of our backpacks in Oxford, and in the first 2 or 3 days that she lived there, she had 2 attempts on people to slash her bag, and then there was just a few slash marks in her bag where they hadn't been able to penetrate the anti-slash membrane. It's got locks and lots of other safety assets in it. The next thing is to just be aware of your surroundings. Anywhere where there are a lot of people, and they're in some places like Italy and Spain, there are lots and lots of hotspots. Trains, buses on tourist routes are really common places for people to be pickpocketed. So keep an eye out, be aware of who is around you and what is going on. Keep those valuables of yours close and your hand over the opening of a handbag, because then it's harder for them to slip in if you're actually in the way. Sometimes pickpockets are not the people that you think they are. The other thing to be careful of is if there's a commotion going on or something that looks intriguing. Quite often as you hustle in to watch someone scam someone else on a game, you're being scammed yourself, because as you stand there and are distracted by what's going on, someone else is ruffling through your bag. It's not about being afraid when you travel, it's about being aware. And over time I'll give more tips on how to avoid pickpockets and scammers in Europe, but today let's just start with those few. If you liked what you saw today, why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new to our channel and would like to see more tips like this, and then hit the little bell and you'll get notifications. Thanks for joining us today. As always, travel brilliantly. Bye.